Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about CorVel Corporation quarterly report. CorVel Corporation provides a wide range of services to various clients, including employers, third-party administrators, insurance companies, and government agencies. The company's primary focus is on managing medical costs and ensuring the quality of care associated with healthcare claims. The company offers several business solutions, including workers' compensation, general liability, and auto liability services. It also provides hospital bill auditing and payment integrity solutions to help clients manage their healthcare expenses effectively. CorVel Corporation utilizes advanced technology such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing to enhance the management of episodes of care and related healthcare costs. In addition to these services, CorVel Corporation offers network solutions that include automated medical fee auditing, preferred provider management, and reimbursement. The company also provides a range of patient management services, including claims management, case management, 24/7 nurse triage, utilization management, vocational rehabilitation, and life care planning. Furthermore, the company offers Medicare solutions and processes claims for self-insured payers with respect to property and casualty insurance. CorVel Corporation's comprehensive suite of services aims to assist clients in managing medical costs and monitoring the quality of care associated with healthcare claims. The stock price of CorVel Corp. (CRVL) has plummeted by over 58% in the past year, from a high of $128.46 on February 5, 2025, to a low of $47.04 by early February 2026. Several factors have contributed to this significant decline. Concerns over the growth of the workers' compensation sector and rising tax rates have weighed heavily on investors' minds. These concerns were exacerbated by Wall Street's cautious sentiment, with analysts downgrading CorVel from a buy to a hold rating. Furthermore, notable insider selling has also contributed to the stock's decline, with company executives and directors selling shares worth approximately $894,686 in the last quarter of 2025. Despite reporting positive financial results for the third quarter of fiscal year 2026, including increased revenue and diluted earnings per share, CorVel Corp's stock price continued to fall. The increase in effective tax rate noted in the earnings reports only added to the negative sentiment surrounding the company. These factors have collectively led to a substantial decline in CorVel Corp's stock price over the past year. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be summarized into several key points. On the growth side, patient management services have been a significant contributor to revenue increase, with a 7% growth rate from 2024 to 2025. Network solutions services have also seen substantial growth, driven by increases in enhanced bill review programs and growth with existing customers. Additionally, recent acquisitions of proprietary tools and intellectual property have enhanced the company's capabilities. On the decline side, fluctuations or declines in sequential revenue growth can be attributed to various factors such as decline in manufacturing employment, workers' compensation claims, and healthcare expenditures. The market is also experiencing considerable price competition, litigation, and changes in state laws, which are contributing to revenue decline. Furthermore, acquired businesses may not generate sufficient revenue to offset acquisition costs, and resistance from healthcare providers to cost containment techniques has also been a challenge. Overall, the company's revenue growth is driven by its ability to adapt to changing market conditions and expand its services offerings, while revenue decline is largely due to external factors such as market competition, changes in laws, and economic fluctuations. The net income and profit margins of a company underwent significant changes over the given period. Initially, the net income increased by 1.7% from $23.8 million to $24.2 million, followed by a substantial rise of 15.3% from $68.7 million to $79.3 million. However, in the 3 months ended December 31, 2025, the net income decreased by 27.6%. The trend reversed again with an increase of $21.8 million from $104.4 million to $126.2 million. The profit margins also experienced fluctuations. The gross profit margin remained relatively stable at 23.3% in 2025 compared to 2024, but decreased from 78.1% to 76.4%. On the other hand, it increased from 22.8% to 23.9%. The operating profit margin saw a decrease from 13.3% to 10.9%, followed by an increase from 21.1% to 23.6%. The reasons behind these changes can be attributed to various factors. A significant increase in revenue, primarily due to growth with existing customers in network solution services, contributed to the rise in net income and profit margins. The cost of revenues also increased by $27.6 million, or 5%, mainly due to the rise in total revenues. The company's financial performance indicates a positive trend in its operating cash flow. According to the provided data, the net cash provided by operating activities for both 2025 and the 9-month period ending December 31, 2025, is substantial. The figures of $126,172,000 and $126.2 million, respectively, demonstrate a consistent generation of positive operating cash flow. This suggests that the company's operations are generating sufficient funds to cover its expenses and investments, indicating a healthy financial position. Management is emphasizing the importance of adapting to changing market conditions in order to achieve future success. The company's focus on cost containment services, developing new software products, and upgrading its information systems are key strategies aimed at capturing market share and staying competitive. One of the primary concerns is the potential disruption caused by acquisitions, which could lead to increased expenses and business disruptions. Additionally, management acknowledges that revenue from cost containment operations may decrease due to resistance from healthcare providers and intensified competition resulting from legislative reform. To mitigate these risks, the company must develop and market new software products to remain competitive in a rapidly changing technological landscape. This includes anticipating and responding effectively to digital disruption and other technological developments. Furthermore, upgrading its information systems is crucial for processing and managing claims data efficiently, which will be essential for future growth. Management also highlights the importance of mitigating cybersecurity risks, as incidents could have a significant impact on the company's business for an extended period. Overall, management is emphasizing the need to adapt quickly to changing market conditions in order to achieve long-term success. The company has made significant investments in its shareholders through a share buyback program. According to the provided information, the company has purchased 62,339 shares under this program, with a maximum of 2,230,091 shares available for purchase. This indicates that the company is committed to returning value to its investors by reducing the number of outstanding shares on the market. The total amount spent on these buybacks was $13.4 million, with an average price per share of $72.47. Furthermore, a total of 185,559 shares have been repurchased under this program. These numbers demonstrate the company's efforts to increase shareholder value through strategic investments in its own stock. That concludes the financial summary for CorVel Corporation. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.